kíní ti ṣẹlẹ̀ for a very long time o ní understanding nípa ẹ̀ ní o. Yorùbá sọ pé Yorùbá nation lójoojúmọ́, àwọn IPOB ń sọ pé Biafra làwọn fẹ́, àwọn Haúsá náà pariwo Àrẹwà. Yes now, a ní àwọn elders, a ní some grown up politicians tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n wà nínú Senate. They know the truth, they want to say the truth, but they are afraid of being attacked. So for you to fact check me, láti rí òkodoro ọ̀rọ̀ kẹ́ lè mọ ibi tá a bá dé, ibi tó ń lọ, ibi tí kíní dé dúró, mo ní fídíò tí màá play fún yín. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to this channel. Comment and share. Like it. Watch this video. Kí ni reason tí administration yìí tán fi lọ ń carry out àwọn policy kọ̀ọ̀kan láì kọ́kọ́ pass ẹ̀ without passing it to the Senate for them to approve it? Because they render them useless. Senate is representing Yoruba. They are representing Igbo. They are representing Hausa and Fulani. All the tribes in Nigeria. Ni àwọn Senate represents, right? That is what makes us one Nigeria. So now, why the administration yìí tó ṣe ń carry out bill, tó ń carry out policy àtàwọn strategy tó yẹ kí àwọn Senate yìí kan kọ́kọ́ approve? So I have a video to play for you. Just please subscribe to this channel. Watch this senator, Belarabe. Watch what the man has for us. Watch, please.
Their policies and policy directions. Does it give you a sense that we are headed in a direction for good?
No. My sense is that, yes, we are here. Okay, let us just do our best and just move on. If I come like I've come today and I said, I think that we need to tweak it a little, then they will start shouting, oh, you're against the government, oh, you're an opposition, so we don't expect anything better, this and that. You know, that is exactly what we think. My sense, really, is that just like a few other people have said, I do not think most of the policies of this government were well thought out. Usually when you have a policy, you will know, okay, this is the time lag before it takes off. These are the things that may go wrong. These are the other areas, and this is how we course correct. Right now, what we have, a set of people who claim that they know everything, and so no course correction. Oh, we must do this, we must go from A to B, and if you don't like it, it's because you are not in power. That is my sense. My sense is really that, first, the age-old thing that is said, that you cut your coat according to your cloth, is what you first do. You don't live as if you are still in the 70s when we had surplus money and didn't know what to do with it.
Is that what is happening right now?
So tell me, why do we have to buy a new plane? Why do somebody even wake up and now say, oh, even the one that the vice president is using is not good, we need to buy another one? Why do we have, I mean, there are so many things.
But you and your colleagues approve all of that.
Well,
you were in the National Assembly when all of that was going on.
I am in the National Assembly, but I can tell you for a fact that nobody, put me, show, nobody brought anything to the National Assembly to say, please approve this for purchase of a new plane.
So it was done without the approval of the National Assembly?
I say it was done without my knowledge. Nobody, I never saw any document, and I've always been in the National Assembly. Ask anyone. None. You know, they just do things, and we just continue to say, okay, so that we do not rock the boat. Let it not be seen as if there's so much turmoil in government, because everybody wants to see that things happen. But ask them, was there a request? None.
And what does that mean?
What it means is that part of the job of the National Assembly, which is to be a check on the government, is not being efficiently carried out. That's what it means.
If government money is being spent without appropriation.
So that's it. That is it. I think we all see this. We all watch this now. Báwọn government wọ́n ṣe mismanage funding nǹkan tí ó tó kàn náà ṣe. They have people there that really want to tell them the truth. That really want to put them on the right way. That really want to do their best for the benefit and growth of this our beautiful nation. Go work out. Go work out. Okay, ṣé ká sọ pé àwọn senate ṣé ká náà parọ́ ni pé wọ́n rí bill yẹn pé they were not informed because this senator made us to understand that nothing were brought to their table. They did not bring anything to their table. They would just wake up carrying out ruthless policies that is not favorable. Ebi ń pàlú ẹ ń kówó lọ ń ra plane ẹ lọ ń ra aircraft. I don't understand. So you dey borrow money to dey do fine boy. Abi you no get, then they borrow money just to do fine boy. This is not making any sense. Ẹ dissolve kí ni ẹ jẹ́ ká pín, ẹ jẹ́ kí Yorùbá nation wáyé. Ẹ jẹ́ kí Biafra wáyé. Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn Haúsá náà lọ ṣèjọba tiwọn káwọn wọ́n ṣe máa ṣe. Kíní ti tóbi jù fẹ́yàn kan. This is the major reason we are having problem. This is the major reason we are having problem. Àbí báyìí lẹ ṣe máa kówó rọ̀gùnrọ̀gùn. Ebi ń pààyàn. Àbí àwọn Yorùbá máa sọ pé ebi ń panú ọlọ́ṣẹ́ ń polówó. Ìgbà tí mo wọ ẹnu báwo mo ṣe fẹ́ wẹ̀ ta. Yes, of course. Pikin dey shout say e dey hungry, e wan die of hunger. The papa come carry money go dey give girlfriend or he carry money go dey buy shoe. When he go take go club, go do shakara, go dey carry ashawo. This is not done. This is not done. This is not, can you work out, say? Work out. Which kind of wahala be this? Ṣé ká láwọn people ń parọ́ ni àbí government ń ṣe nǹkan tó wù wọ́n? Yeah, they free wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kó nù gbèkùn yìí. Wàhálà yìí pọ̀ jù now. Please subscribe to Akko TV, please. God bless you.